Hi everyone, welcome to DesignLab. I'm Chetna and I'm doing my Master's in Interaction Technology here at the university. I also work part-time as the Dream Team Coordinator here at DesignLab, and I'm going to show you around today. Let's go. Though things may be a little different in the world right now, we here at DesignLab are trying to make the best of it while keeping all the necessary precautions in mind. As you may know, DesignLab is a student-driven space and community, and there's always someone from our student team, the Dream Team, here at the Dream Team desk, ready to help you out and answer any of your questions. Before we continue with the tour, I would like to tell you a little bit more about DesignLab and what we stand for here. DesignLab is an ecosystem that connects students and researchers with companies, governments, and other partners to work on impactful solutions for societal problems. Currently, we are focusing on responsible design, citizen science, and a transdisciplinary approach. If you would like to know more about any of this, you can click the link over here. Here at DesignLab, we have multiple large open spaces that are used for various things, from events to lectures, and even as just working spaces for students to work on their university projects. Currently, in this time of Corona, the setup is a little bit different to allow for people to work even while keeping a 1.5-meter distance. If you're working on a prototype for a course you're doing at university, or if you're working on a personal project, DesignLab provides prototyping facilities in our 2 workshops. If you would like to know more about the facilities and tools we have available, along with the safety measures that you have to take if you would like to use them, you can click on the link here or the link in the description box below. If you're looking for inspiration, DesignLab has a lot of it, and you can see a lot of the prototypes built by other people who worked here as you walk around the space. All of our working spaces currently are equipped with a disinfecting station that has sanitizer and disinfecting spray that you can use to clean your desk and chair before and after you use it, so that everyone can use the space and stay safe. Downstairs, we have 2 smaller but more dynamic rooms that even students can reserve to work on group projects or brainstorm together. If you want to reserve either of these rooms or you want to know more information, you can send us an email at the email ID provided. We hope you enjoyed this quick look into DesignLab, and we hope to see you here sometime so you can have the real DesignLab experience. You can go to our website if you'd like more information or if you'd like to book a spot to work here. See you soon.